Alright, part 3. Alright, as you can see here, what I've done here is I've cut out the area where what I'm going to build is a bucket for the 8-inch to actually fit in there, because what we're doing is we're going to take, it's going to be a bucket, and I'll show you this is what I'm making the bucket out of, is some cardboard, okay? But this is just simply so I can make a mold. It's not actually, I'm at the actual bucket. I'm just going to take fiberglass, put it in here and stuff, and then pull the whole thing apart, and that's how I'm going to make the bucket. So basically there's going to be a piece of glass running across the entire length of the door, right here. And these will be joined in as one component, so this will actually come off as one piece. And the reason for this is that the factory door panel fits on like this. And as you can see, this is the factory location. So again, I'm trying to make this look factory. So you've got all this components and stuff where the panel that I'm making, the other panel I'm working on right now. What I needed to have happen was that the bucket fit inside the factory area. And this way, just like that, it fits. And then the reason for this is that this top piece is actually the entire panel. It's an actual enclosure, and I need the enclosure to be able to fit in the factory location areas, so that when I go to bolt it in and stuff, this can all be bolted like, you know, a factory component, not as a separate piece or this big bulky gigantic piece of fiberglass just spewed all over the panel. I hate that. I hate just pulling fleece and saying, "Ha, looky, I'm really intelligent, I know how to fiberglass." No, we're building an enclosure, an actual porting enclosure, and it will be bolted on as like it was factory. It will actually be a set of brackets back here where the structure meets inside, going across the entire length. So again, the point is to make this bucket here is for the speaker to have a place to go, number one. Then it's got to break in, you know, it's going to go all the way across the back. Then the outside piece is going to go on, and then I'll make sides. It'll go on top and bottom here, and then that will seal the system. Once the system is sealed, actually there's going to be a series of baffle heads inside here, so that there's no vibration inside. So I'll explain that later when I get to it. But right now I just wanted you to see how the bucket piece is. And then I'm going to trim all this to the right dimensions and stuff. Right now it's just sitting in there. So for now, that's it.